I have some beauty subscriptions to unbox today. So if you want to see what's in these, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to Bariatric Beauty and Finishing School. My name is Kelsey and I am a 10-year gastric bypass post-op who has lost 256 pounds. I am also a 17-year professional makeup artist veteran, and I'm now an author. So if you want to read about my story and my tips for a successful life after weight loss surgery, check out the link in the description down below. It's available on Amazon in ebook and paperback formula now. All right, so let's get started. So one of the things that I recommend to a lot of people that are new to makeup and skincare is to go and get a professional consultation, right? But a lot of us maybe live in rural places. I grew up in a town with one grocery store, 2 gas stations, minimal paved roads. My family home is still on a road that is not paved. So you don't really have that option to go in and have a professional consultation, right? So if you want to try out some new makeup, what you can use is a subscription service. So I've kind of done them all. I have done Glossy Box, FabFitFun. I've done Bloom boxes right after my son was born, which is like a mommy and baby one, which is really cute. I did Birchbox in the past. I now subscribe to a couple of ones that I really, really love. So the number one that I really, really love is my favorite one is this one. This is Ipsy. So it comes in this beautiful bright pink bag, which I'm always super excited to get. So we're gonna unbox that together. Another one that I really love is the Dollar Shave Club. So I go through razors like crazy. I am of mixed background, so I have very thick black hair on my body. So to shave my legs and my underarms and that kind of thing, I go through razors quickly. And as you know, female razors are so expensive. And now male razors are catching up and being really expensive too. So I had seen it on Instagram once upon a time that there was this Dollar Shave Club. So I was like, whatever. And I clicked on it and it's actually really awesome and I use it all the time. So my initial purchase I think was $10 and that came with 4 cartridges, a razor, like a razor that you plug the cartridges into, a body wash, a beard oil, which I don't use obviously, but my boyfriend has a beard, and a shaving balm. The shaving balm is bomb, but I don't buy it anymore. I have so many that I get in these subscription bags that I don't even worry about it. But the razors come and they're now $5 a month. So I get my razors automatically delivered, which let's face it, that's amazing. And it's so convenient. They're really good quality. They're 4 blades. They feel just as good as my Venus razors did and work just as well, but it gets delivered in my mailbox. I don't have to think about it. I also do tampon subscription service. So if you're a man out there, maybe just earmuff this because it's maybe uncomfortable, but doesn't it suck when you get your period and you realize you're out of tampons? You have to like run to the store with like toilet paper. Oh, it's just like disgusting. Anyway, enter Lola. And I discovered Lola by riding the subway in New York City, and they had an entire train plastered with advertisement. I was like, let me check it out. I think Lola is $4.99 a month, and they send me a box of 30 tampons. And you can choose applicators, applicatorless, the different absorbencies in your little box. If you want 12 regular and 20 super, whatever it is, you can do that. They're really good quality, all organic. There's no excess waste or a bunch of crap with it. I really, really like them, so that's awesome. The other thing that I subscribe to that I get monthly is coffee. So I love single serve coffee makers. I love the Nespresso. Keurig is awesome, but I need coffee and I have a leg injury, so I can't just run out and buy coffee or pick it up on my way home from work like I used to. So I go through Target. The reason I go through Target is because if I could buy 3 boxes a time of the coffee, it's only I think $10 each box. So it's a really, really good deal. You can do it through Amazon too. I actually recently signed up for school snacks for my son on subscription, so you save 15%. And it just comes directly to your door. So it's, I mean, these are things that like make our lives easier. But let's get back to beauty. So I had Birchbox once upon a time, and I stopped getting it when I think my son was really little. I was just getting overwhelmed with samples, and I didn't need it or wear it or use it. Now, I'm really interested in trying some new stuff, especially skincare wise, hair care wise, because I'm not very good with my hair. And so I find the subscription services are great. Plus, they also have really good brushes in them usually, which I can never have too many brushes. I actually used to belong to the Morphe Brush Club, which is brushes every month, but that just got a little bit overwhelming. Like, I don't need 10 new brushes every month. Like, one is sufficient. So yeah, so let's jump into it. So I recently re-signed up for Birchbox. So they had a deal. If you bought one box, you got a second box for free. So we're gonna open these guys up and we're gonna open our Ipsy bag up. So I'm gonna do Ipsy first because Ipsy is like my favorite thing ever. So like I said, it comes in these beautiful pink bags, which I've reused. I've peeled my own label off of it and used this to send to other people. So the cool thing about Ipsy that I think is really fun is that you get a new makeup bag every month. So while they're not like the greatest of quality, they're really good. Like, I use them as little like pouches to go to work in. Like, I'll put my ID and my phone and my keys and stuff in so I can throw it in my drawer at work. Or I use it as gifts. So if I bought someone like a little something, I'll wrap it up, put it in here, and then put it in a gift bag, and it's a great, great gift. So upon opening it, I already got a brush. So this is a Vasanti concealer buffer brush. It's very soft and nice and dense. So this will be a great concealer brush. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, all of the brushes I've gotten through Ipsy have been great. So this is gonna be awesome. So let's open it up. See what we have in here. Okay, so first off, we have the little thing. So this month, April box is called Social Butterfly. The fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. So this is really cool. I like the little Ipsy different ideas in it, and I'm already excited about what I see in here. So first off, all the lip lovers. This is an Aurora lip stain, 24-hour lively lip stain. So as you guys know, I wear Lipsense, so I likely won't be wearing this, so I'm not even gonna swatch it because it will likely be a gift. But it is a lip stain, water-based. You know what, I might actually use this. So this is what it looks like. This is the tip, which is kind of cool, but this is a pretty color. It's not this pink color that I thought it was gonna be, but still nice. All right, what's next? Blush Chameleon from Ofra. So an Ofra Cosmetics blush in a bag. So this is one of my most favorite colors, but I have 10,000 blushes. So again, this is gonna go into a little gift bag. The cool thing about these little sample sizes is you can re-gift them as like a little grab bag for your friends on their birthday, or if somebody's having a rough day. Like, who doesn't love to get makeup? All right, so why hair care finishing cream. So this is gonna be awesome. This is like a lotion for your hair that protects from heat, styling, smooths dry ends, gives fine medium hair that lived in look with a slightly reflective shine. This is like the #1 reason why I get Ipsy, because I can get really good kind of travel size hair products to try out to see what I like. Because I'm not good with my hair, I love to try a bunch of stuff to see kind of what I'll fall in love with. So this is a good buy already. And then we have Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So I have been dying to try these, so I got 2. So they have the little gold thing on them. So they're help to really depuff the under eye and help to firm it up. I'm so dry under my eyes right now, so these are gonna be awesome. So to recap, these are the things that we got this week in Ipsy for 10 bucks. This is I think totally worth it. Really good deal, good value, all the stuff that I like. So the cool thing about Ipsy is you fill out a little profile, and so you can kind of pick and choose the things or the genres of stuff you want to get. I have false lash extensions, so I don't want mascara or eyeshadow because I don't wear it. I also only wear Lipsense, so I rarely get lip products, which I do like lip stains. So I think this is going to be quite nice. This is actually shaping up to be quite a nice color. Wow, and it doesn't come off either. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's the cool thing about Ipsy. You put your hair color and your eye color so it can kind of match you. And then there are like literally thousands of categories, not thousands, I should say. There's probably 20 categories you can choose from foundation to concealers to acne products to fragrances. So you can really like customize down to what you want, which is cool. Let's get into the first Birchbox. So they've come a long way with their packaging. This box is really, really cute, I think. which is good because the old packaging used to come in like this brown paper thing and it was not cute at all. The operator error here with the boxes. All right, so say yes. First box from Birchbox. Oh, and this is really cute. Okay, so one thing I loved about glossy boxes was that they came in like hard boxes like this. So I could use them for like storage, for organizational things. So this is nice. I like this already. It says magic inside. So let's see what the magic is. All right, and it's nice and printed on the inside, which is also really cute. So it's double the beauty fun with these sweet surprises. So this must be my bonus box. We're Birchbox. We can't wait to make your monthly delivery of 5 beauty samples a fun and exciting experience. And we're kicking off the journey with this bonus box of surprise treats. So this is my bonus box. So first off, I see Love Shampoo. So this is an awesome little travel size shampoo. This looks like it's gonna be really good for blonde hair because it's a little bit like a purple shampoo. So that's awesome. Next, we have a Lock Liquid Eyeshadow Shimmer. So that's going in the giveaway box. I've been wanting to try this, and so this is awesome. This is a BB thickening, it's from Bumble to Bumble, thickening spray pre-styler. So you style this, I believe you spray this into damp hair. Yep, spray it onto damp hair and then blow dry for style and lift. I've actually really been wanting to try this, so this is already an awesome box for me. So then we have the Marcel 8-in-1 Power Serum. A little travel size serum is never gonna go wrong in my book. We have the Ipkin Moist and Firm BB Cream. Again, and it's in color light medium. So what's awesome about this is I can throw this in my bag when I go on vacation, or if I'm going out for the day and I wanna touch up later. Travel size. All right, and then we got a Love Conditioner. Lovely smoothing conditioner for coarse or frizzy hair. It looks like it might be purple on the inside as well. I mean, the packaging is purple, so that's pretty awesome. So all in all, really, really good things in my bonus box, which is really exciting. 2 things that I've actually been wanting to try, so score. All right, so let's get into this month's box, which I believe is the April box. I did order it a little bit late. So if you have long nails, maybe grab yourself some scissors when you're opening these boxes, because this perforation thing, while it looks like it's a great idea, is not really working on all sides. Like Glossy Box, and like I was telling you guys before, I love a good box. This one says Birchbox right on the bottom, so that's fine with me. But isn't this pretty? It's a nice little pretty like decorative box that you can use again. All right. Feed your mind, body, and soul. So this is obviously like a wellness box. It's quite cute. Again, things that I wanted to try that would cost me 20 bucks to buy this size, I got for 10. So first off, we have the Orbe Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse, which is awesome because I've been wanting to try this. I love the Orbe line, so this is really fantastic. Next up, we have the Marcel BB Cream Golden Glow. So this is an enhancing one, so I think this is gonna bronze the skin slightly. Next up, we have Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. It's an exfoliating cleanser by Vasanti. And this is actually a product that I've been reading about because I love like a really scrubby cleanser. It's gonna exfoliate while it washes. So this is really, really great. Then next up we have Glitter Lip Balm, which is sort of weird, by Ades. It comes in this cute little box, which is sealed. And we got the Ico Skinny Liquid Liner. So this is gonna be great for travel. Because I don't wear a lot of liner anymore, I like to keep these little guys around. So if I do use them and I only use it once and it dries out, it's not a big deal. Otherwise, this is a great little stocking stuffer or a little like present to send to my sister who also loves black liner. So for $10, we got 2 boxes full of great items. So if you're interested, I will link you down below to Birchbox. It will be an affiliate code, so we both get something free for doing that. Also to Ipsy, which I also think is amazing. I'm really excited to try this stuff out, so I will follow up with you guys and let you guys know what I think. I will post a review as well on my blog. You can find the link down below. So this was our first unboxing. Let me know what you guys thought. If you want me to do an unboxing every month, let me know. And then we can talk about some other subscriptions. If you have any suggestions for some subscription services for me, I would love to hear it because I love subscriptions. So let me know. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.